What Tracy was showing us in Newark, the flights departing seem to be okay. Or better in better shape.
Yeah, I think we're taking advantage of the lull in the action right now, not just from Newark and around the city, but also Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island. Some of that sunshine getting through into the 60s. The Bronx right now at 67 degrees. But yes, chance of showers and storms today, tomorrow, and as we get into the holiday weekend. So I'm going to break it all down for you so you can make your plans or cancel plans in that 10-day forecast.
Maria, thank you.
In the conditions they had yesterday, having to dodge the heavy rain and get all of that to move in, we still have the mechanism in place. You see the swirl in the radar. So while we're getting a break right now, the overall theme, though, is certainly not a break completely with the shower and thunderstorm threat. But enjoy what we have right now, because that's definitely helping get things going this morning, whether you're doing the commute or you have a loved one who's trying to maybe get in or out of town at the airports. With that said, we still have the potential for heavy rain on top of what fell yesterday. We do have a flood watch posted through tonight for most of northern New Jersey and into parts of the Hudson Valley and eastern Pennsylvania, not just from the rainfall tonight, but we'll see that be an influence here over the next few days, because you add up the rainfall potential through this weekend, and we're talking a widespread 1 to 2, maybe as much as 2 to 3 inches of additional rainfall. It is coming today, partly with the showers and the thunderstorms, and while we don't see the widespread level of severe weather that we had yesterday, there's potential for those gusty winds, even some hail with those bigger thunderstorms, and definitely the flash flooding. There's a lot of moisture to work with. Any of those thunderstorms will put down heavy rain quickly. But none of that right now. It's a beautiful view of the harbor from Statue of Liberty via Earth Cam and getting some of that sun in there. 67 degrees now. It is very humid. Count on at least by lunchtime to have those the umbrellas ready for those showers and storms. And then you can see a flare up again, that time frame, that window, mainly from afternoon through late evening. Again, some heavy rain potential, thunder and lightning, and some gusty winds. Not looking like yesterday's setup, so that's some good news. We do have that chance even tomorrow, but notice that coverage a lot less, so we start to see that trend continue through the end of the week. 77 today, again with scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly afternoon and evening. Just a chance overnight down to 68 degrees. We'll get to about 80 tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies and a chance for some showers and storms. And looking ahead quickly to the weekend, can't rule it out Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Not a watch.
Watching the weather today, and so are so many people trying to hope to go to where they need to go.
And we've got a little bit of a break. We had some showers and thunderstorms in parts of Long Island. We head to Plainview now. Just some sun breaking out. 69 degrees, 75 for the high today, with another round of showers and thunderstorms possible. But where's that summer heat? A little taste of it by the end of the week and into next week, but we certainly have more showers and thunderstorms to talk about too. So I'll break down the timing so you can make plans accordingly in the 10-day.
Maria, thank you.
And again, I know if you had those notifications turned on yesterday on your phone, they were going off like crazy. We have another round of thunderstorms expected today, but not quite the intensity or coverage like we had yesterday. This is not a repeat of Monday. But for today, just a heads up with anything that does develop. We're looking at the gusty winds, maybe some hail with those bigger storms, and flash flooding. There's still a lot of moisture available, so any of those storms are going to put down that heavy rain quickly, which again will impact travel. Not the best of news as we head into the afternoon and evening, but we're enjoying a little window of opportunity now. Here's the culprit, though. Not rid of that. We're not rid of the conditions that are going to touch off those showers and storms. So that's why we have that concern today. But again, the radar and satellite for now relatively quiet. So as we go through the next few hours, again, the umbrella may get a little bit of a break. By the afternoon, though, and certainly late afternoon and evening, that's when we expect some of those bigger showers and thunderstorms to move on through. Heavy rain, gusty winds, that whole bit along with it should be quieter overnight. And then we have another chance tomorrow afternoon and evening. Once again, that trend is to have not as much coverage, not as intense, but obviously still a chance. So when do we get that break? Well, it looks like we have that one opportunity maybe Thursday into Friday to get some sun, some drier weather, noticeably lower humidity. So overall, a nice little break, but those shower chances go up again by the time we get to late Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. While not a complete washout scenario, obviously the start of a holiday weekend, not the best, not the most ideal. The second half, though, I think you'll like. Out the door now, obviously the leftovers too, keeping that moisture, the low levels. So we do have some patchy fog. 67 out there now. The next few hours pretty quiet, but have that rain gear ready by lunchtime and into the afternoon, up to 77 degrees. Temperatures only cooling off into the